He's probably been out here longer than 2 weeks. He's probably been out here for a month. They got some of his body back on them. But it's up to you if you want to get more stag and get through them hens. I got some of them hens out here too, so it's up to you.
Let me do that. I'll take bottom field putter, and I'll get the no more hatch, the 2 yellow-legged.
Okay. You can bring some
I
sweaters
can order you a pure yellow.
Okay.
And I'll get you
Cost I'll let you have up here. I really like this is from the stock. He's not as tall as this is not too. They all got good bodies. This is about 18 months.
Yeah, there's a couple of them up here that we had left over. We saved what you sell them as crawfish. Pretty nice. And they're the same way. They're going to be a little bit bigger than the sweaters, but they'll be